Oh, look who wanted to say hi. This is Miss Hazel May. Say hi. Mama gave her a haircut yesterday, finally. She was just so warm. So, I don't know if you can tell by me holding her up here, but probably not. I don't show her that much, so you probably can't tell. But she did get a haircut, didn't you? Yeah. She loves her baths. She likes her haircut. She just don't like that dryer. But she tolerates it, don't you? They're a double-coated dog, so I have to blow dry her. And she tolerates it. Yeah. All right. We gotta do a video. Say hi, everyone. Welcome, friends. Welcome to our channel. This is Janice and Hazel May. And if you're new here, hi. I'm a pet lover, so periodically you're going to see my pets. So I hope you enjoy that. I know I enjoy when you guys show your pets, the ones that I watch, that is. I love it. It's part of my very, very favorite part of the whole video, besides makeup, of course. But yeah, I think pets too. Yeah, pets. Your pets make my day when I see them. Yeah. Today we're going to do an unboxing of my Boxycharm Premium. It's a $35 beauty subscription box, and it comes monthly. And it comes with 6 full-size products. So that's what we're going to do today. So, if you're interested in what I received in my June 2020 Boxycharm Premium beauty subscription box, just keep watching. So keep watching. Here is the box. It's heavy this month. Here's what it looks like inside. This is Boxycharm Premium. And of course, Hello Charmers. They always say Hello Charmers. This is what they do. And here's what I received inside. Show you real quick. I do not have a card this month. I don't know what happened. I don't know. I didn't get one last month either. So, unless I look it up, I won't be able to tell you the prices of them. But I'm just going to show you what I got, okay? I hope that's okay. I'm being lazy. It's like, you don't want a lazy YouTuber, do ya? But maybe I'll add it in the notes, so you know how much they're retailed for. Okay, the first thing I'm pulling out is by Glow Recipe. It's Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. Okay. I've received a lot of sleeping masks through them, and Glow Recipe is a nice brand. I'm sure it's wonderful. I'm not going to open it because I'm going to gift this because I have so many. And there's another reason, which is silly, I know. I don't like avocados. Ugh. I can't stand the looks of them, the smell of them, or anything. So I don't want it on my face. I know, everyone else loves them. I just don't. But I do have a lot of other sleeping masks, so we're just going to go ahead and gift this to someone else, okay? But it's a good product.
It's just me being weird, okay? Me being weird. Really weird.
Next thing I'm pulling out is by Skin & Co. And I've gotten a few products from them. And it is a Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel. Shower Gel. Shower Gel. In the premium box. I would expect it in the Luxie box. But I didn't get that this month. Didn't want to get it. I have too many products, that's why. And I'm watching my budget. It does smell nice. I have opened it and smelled it. And I will use it. I love shower gels, I really do. I just bought me a big, big bottle or two. Yeah, bought Dove, and I really like that one. So, yeah. It's not exciting, but it's nice. Alright, and next thing is something from Paddington. Now, Paddington makes eyelashes. I've had a couple of their eyelashes. I'm not a big eyelash wearer, but every now and then I'll pop them on the videos. But for the most part, I don't wear them. And really the reason why I don't wear them is because my glasses just hits them. So, yeah. This is a brush set. It's a powder brush and a contour foundation brush. And they're nice. They're gold and they feel really nice. You know, feel real nice. And they're nice and soft. This is my favorite shape of brush, this one here. I use this type for my blushes. I just, for some reason, like it for my blushes. This one here, maybe foundation or concealer. However, there's other uses, and here's what they tell you what it's for. One is the powder brush to be used with loose and pressed powders, perfect for application of bronzer, blush, and finishing powder. Okay, and that's probably this one. Yeah. And the other one is a contour foundation brush, evenly distributes product and foundation into the skin. Great for contour and blending. Oh, okay, well that's basically what I said. Yeah. Uh-oh, there it goes on the floor. So I'm unhappy when I get brushes. I have a lot, but I love getting brushes. The next thing is by Zoeva. It's an eyeshadow fix pearl long wear. What is this? Eyeshadow primer. And this was my pick of the month. They gave us a few to pick from. You get to choose one product a month from a list. And this was the only thing on the list I wanted. So I got it. And I did use it today. A little black tube. And it's got a looks like pearly white right here. Hope you can see that. And you just blend it in and it gives you a glow. I don't know why you want a glowy primer, but that's alright. I mean, it worked. I like to use primers, especially now that I'm older. It helps, it really helps with the staying power and smooths out my eyelids. So I like primers. And last but not least, I got something from Too Faced. Now when I got this, I thought, I mean, I know it's nice, but I thought, I got so many things. I have so many contour palettes. So I thought, okay. But then I thought, you know, I'm going to try it because that's why I'm getting this box, is to try products. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am missing the product. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm missing a product. I'm gonna have to go look and see if I just forgot to put it back in, or if I got shorted a product. I'm supposed to get at least 6. But anyway, here is this beautiful packaging. Of course, Too Faced is always known for the beautiful packaging. And let's open it up. And of course, it comes with a mirror. And here are the colors. Now it has a light, a medium, and deep highlighter, and it has a light contour, medium contour, and deep contour. So I'm assuming this will be good on most skin tones. I'm not 100% sure, but what I did on the deep highlighter, I used it as a blush today. I have it on, by the way. And the deep contour I didn't use today, however, it would be pretty as a eyeshadow for me. Now the medium contour and light contour, I did use them both for contouring and mainly for bronzing. And then I used the light and medium highlighter underneath my eyes and, you know, just in spots. And I contoured my nose today. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm trying to remember to do that. I have a chubby nose, so I don't know if it helps. I did want to show you the pamphlet that was inside the Too Faced Cocoa Contour. I like Too Faced because a lot of times they will include a pamphlet to show you how to use the product, which is helpful, especially for those who still don't know how to do it. But I always can learn new things. But it's for all skin tones, basically, from what I can tell by this brochure. Here's the light, the medium, and the dark. So it looks to me like this should work for most people. So that's good. But it's nice, nice little feature. Yeah, that is my Boxycharm Premium minus a product. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna go check and see if I actually forgot one or if they shorted me. So I will return. I'm silly. It's in here. That's why it's so heavy. Totally forgot about this. It's underneath the sponge thing, and here it is. Okay. Yeah. It's by Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your face. These are face masks. I do remember watching one other person unbox this, and this, they got the same things I got actually. And so I know what these look like. They're a gold mask. And I have been getting quite a few masks here, especially the last few months. So I got a sleeping mask and a mask. So yeah, I'm not really thrilled about this box, okay? Only because how many masks can you use? Well, for those who love masks all the time, you probably say, well, silly, I can use them all the time. I just can't be bothered. But this is nice to get, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them. Okay. Let's see if I can tell you about it. Anti-wrinkle energizing face mask. Nothing's anti-wrinkle for me, okay? I am almost 70 and nothing works. All it does is help my face, you know, more, makes my face more plumper because of the moisture only. And that's short-lived usually. Just because of my age. There's no miracle in wrinkles. But it is important to hydrate your face because it helps them from being so visible out there in your face. Besides, face feels nice when it's moisturized. Alright, well, yeah, I don't know how much these things cost. I will try to remember when I edit this to put prices and how much it's worth. This premium box, along with many others I've gotten since I've gotten premium box, I have not enjoyed personally. They're really nice products, and there are a couple products that I actually love. And this box, there's nothing in here I really love. I like. Am I complaining? I don't mean to be negative. I really don't. Because I should be happy. Because this only cost me $35. And my goodness, I'm sure once I go online and see how much these things are retail for, I think, oh wow, that's a good deal. But my point being is, it is a really nice subscription to get if you don't have much makeup yet, like I do. So for those who are on the fence about signing up, I highly recommend this box and the base box. And then if you really have a low supply of makeup and skincare products, go ahead and join the Lux, because that'll get you loaded up really quick. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and just recap what I got. I got the face mask, and oh, by the way, there's 6 of them in here, so that's a good deal. And it's heavy. Oh my gosh. I got the brushes, Paddington brushes, the eye primer, which I do love. I mean, I really like eye primer. And the face palette by Too Faced. The shower gel, which smells wonderful. I'll probably eat my words and say, I probably will eat my words and just love this, because I heard many that do. and the sleep mask. Alright, again I want to ask if you haven't subscribed already, if you please would subscribe. That would really make me happy. Also hit the notification bell so you will be notified when my next video is up. And comment, what do you think of this box? Do you get this box? And do you think I'm just being too fussy? I probably am. And oh yeah, like this video if you would. That'd really help me with the interaction with YouTube, and perhaps they'll recommend this more often to others so they can see it. I'm trying to grow my channel. It's growing slowly. It's really growing slowly, but that's mainly my fault because I don't upload as much as I should. Just saying, you know. But I think that's it. Yeah, so I hope this beautiful summer day finds you all well and happy, and I will see you in my next video. I have a couple more to do today, so we'll see you soon. Bye.